Welcome to Lingua Abdullah. Can you name these? Learn English vocabulary with pictures. Shapes Part 2. Today we will learn 5 3D shapes with examples. The first one is cuboid. Cuboid. Second one, cube. Cube. And the third one, cylinder. Cylinder. Fourth one, sphere. Sphere. And the last one, cone. Cone. And now their examples: cuboid, matchbox, book, brick, and suitcase. And now examples of cube: dice, ice cube, chalk box, gift box. Examples of cylinder: glass, candle, tube light, chalk. Examples of sphere: football, globe, orange, cricket ball. And in the last, examples of cone: top, joker's hat, pencil, funnel. Don't forget to subscribe.